Hi everyone, welcome to my crochet nook. My name's Linda and my YouTube channel is all about crochet, knitting, anything to do with yarn. Welcome if you're a new subscriber, and thank you for joining me. So today we are on day 4 of the Masquerade Advent Calendar by J Hook Crochet. I will put Reggie's Etsy link in the description box below, and we're on to day 4. So as you can see, we've opened 1, 2 and 3, so now we're on to 4, and it's little, I love these little sacks, Reggie, they're fab, I love them. So yeah, so we've got day 4, and as you can see I've got a nice sticker with a coffee cup on, and sorry I'm late today, but I've been doing a deep clean and putting my the few Christmas decks that I have out, so so I'm a bit late, but hey ho. Oh, look at this. Oh, look at that lovely yellow. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, I like that. That is really, really nice. So that'll I'll show you the others so you can see. If I showed you, I'll show you day 2 and day 3. So on 1 it follows along, so I've got the pinks and the oranges and the peach colours, and then it goes on to the peachy colours with the deeper shades, and then it goes on to the yellow but still got the peaches in, but you know, yellow, and then we've gone on to the yellows, so they'll look really nice. I've still not decided whether to knit or crochet the project that came with the advent. I could either knit it or crochet it, and I can't decide what to do. I know my good friend Kim, she's going to knit it, so I think I might crochet it actually. Yeah, I think I will. That's that one, that's number 2. I mustn't forget which is which. So yeah, so I'm really liking that, and all of them have got the stellina in, the silver thread, and it's beautiful. So I can I think I might start that this weekend. Won't be doing anything today, any this evening, as we've got visitors coming today. Our friends are coming, so they're coming for a meal and that, and so yeah, so that is Advent number 4. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed. I hope you come back tomorrow for Advent day 5, and stay safe, take care, be kind to you, and until next time, I'll see you all again real soon. Bye for now.